Here's hoping everyone can see and hear me on this new fangled YouTube thingy. I think everything's going okay. I think everyone can see and hear me. Hey Chris. Hey Christoph, how are you doing? I don't know if anyone can see and hear me because I've never streamed on YouTube before. I'm a Twitch person. But I thought give YouTube a go and see what the heck's happening. Yeah, it's all good. At least I can see that some people are here. Awesome. So what are we going to do today? Yeah, the intro music is pretty cool. A good friend of mine, Ryan, created that intro music for me. You can find him on Twitter if you want some music composed yourself at Ryan D. Brilliant games composer, award winning, but it's nice to see everybody. Okay, I am really trying to figure out how on earth this YouTube thing works. I think we have some people watching. I see my good old friend Kat in the chat. Hi, Kat. We're looking good. We're looking good. Okay, cool. Awesome. So what are we going to do today? Well, what we're going to do today is we're going to build the emoji-based framework that we talked about when we were in PHP day. When was that? Wednesday? Tuesday? Some kind of day. So yeah, that's my plan for today. My plan is to build a really basic MVC framework using emojis as the class names and the interface names and the abstract class names and maybe the method names. We'll see. I didn't mean to call you old, Cat. Sorry. I think chat's a bit more delayed here than on Twitch, so it may take a little while for me to get into this, but I just thought I'd try YouTube because a lot of people have been complaining about Twitch and how the advertising annoys them and they don't really like to use Twitch in work and stuff. And I thought we'll try YouTube since I don't have any kind of reason not to now, as I've been off streaming for so long. Because real life. So yeah, that's my plan. Anyway, my plan is we'll pull in. Obviously, we're not going to write like a router ourselves and a service manager and a dispatcher. We'll figure that out. But I just thought we'll do a really basic MVC, a mega duper super duper basic MVC. So hopefully everything's laggy now and I can't see my OBS. I really need to fix this quickly because I don't have chat in OBS. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, I think you can see my screen, which is good. So let's do a pirate pad. And let's try it. Pirate pad. What? Why? Hello? Why isn't pirate pad a thing anymore? Yeah, this'll do. Mezio could be Mezio. I'm thinking we'll just I don't know what this is, but it may work. I'm thinking we may just wire something together ourselves. It's totally fine. Right, I don't care about that. So we're going to need a router. Simple root, is that a thing still? And then we're going to need a service manager. I would definitely use service manager, Laminas service manager. Let's make this bigger. Manager, because that's the one I want. And then we're going to need a view layer. Any suggestions? I guess. What's the one that's really popular? I've forgotten. The one by Sensor Labs. Twig, is it called? Twig? Pimple. Pimple is the service manager, right? View layer. I see. I don't know if you're saying that while I was talking about service managers because I don't know how laggy the chat is. Okay, here's an experiment. I'm going to say post something in chat and you're going to do it after I count down from 3. So post something in chat after 3, 2, 1, post. And let's see how long the delay is. Do 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 do. Oh, yeah, okay, there's a big delay in chat. That's going to be a nightmare for me. Because you just said Twig, and I was talking about Twig 60 seconds ago. Okay, that's going to be a pain. That's going to be a real problem. Can we do anything about that? Can we do... Yeah, there's a big delay. Okay, I need to try and see if I can do something about that. Let's see. I don't know if there's any... Oh, I know that Christoph is in... chat. Yeah, there's a massive delay. Is there any way you can make that quicker, Christoph? Do you know? I know you stream on YouTube a lot. In fact, I know you're streaming this afternoon, so definitely go and hang out there. But I don't know if there's any way that I can do anything about this. Enable live chat. I'm not in slow mode. Okay, we'll just have to... It's fine. I'll just have to be patient. I'll have to be patient, which isn't my cup of tea. Can anyone think of anything else that we're going to need? We're going to need a router. We're going to need a router that takes a root. So the router will take slash and post and say, okay, that's going to be the home controller, but we're not going to use any words. It's going to be home emoji, controller emoji. I'm streaming with OBS today. I hope I got your name close there. So that's what the root is going to do, is translate that. Then a dispatcher, well, really, that's just going to like take the output of home controller, probably invoke, and return it as to the browser as HTML, you know, as a response, as an HTTP response. And then the view, we just want to like set up in the service manager. I mean, anything else I'm thinking of? I use StreamYard. You cannot do that, but you should be able to do it if you use YouTube directly. Define the delay on YouTube. Okay, I guess, like, I think the problem here is to do with the chat, though, rather than, like, I don't know, maybe it is. Maybe it is, there is a delay. The problem is that the only way I can do this is by restarting the stream, and while I would never do that in Twitch, I guess I can do it in, I guess we can do it in YouTube. Is there a big deal? Because there was an ultra low latency mode in the YouTube settings that I didn't turn on. So I should definitely try and do that while we go in. Yeah, let's do it now while we're here, right? I can't do that without stopping the stream though, right? Thumbnail, playlist, audience. It's not made for kids. Age restriction, tags, blah, blah, blah. Recording, license, comments. Okay. I don't see a latency setting now the stream has started. Right, I'll be right back. I'm going to try and fix this because you know how reliant on chat I am in these kind of things. So I'll be right back.